Hello, everybody. Thank you very much one more time for nice introduction. It's again a huge honor for me to be on a stage in each day of conference. And I'm really lucky to hear always very, very nice presentations from Paula, Mauricio, Luis, Rafael. It's wonderful. You already said everything about immediacy. Today, my topic is immediate implant placement in aesthetic area. Should we go 100% of cases or not? And sometimes I feel like a rebellion in ITI conferences because I do a lot of immediate implant placement. And here I want to share my story. I started to place implants year 2000. And that time, Nobel Biocare Replace Select was introduced as an implant exactly created and suitable for immediacy. And I was just after my study years, and I thought that, yes, I go now and conquer the world. And first 20 implants in aesthetic area were placed in immediate approach by me. What do you think? How many of them were successful? I talk about aesthetics. Right, zero. I failed all 20 times. So really, I lost a trust on myself. I lost trust on immediate implant placement as a method because I ended up with recessions, bad color, and bad contour. In 2006, I already learned some soft tissue management techniques, some bone augmentation techniques, but still I was not able to create and achieve a nice aesthetics.